HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is considered the fundamental building block of web development. Without HTML, the World Wide Web as we know it today would not exist. It provides the basic structure of web pages that we view on the internet every day. If we compare a website to a house, then HTML can be thought of as the walls, foundation, and framework of that house, giving shape and structure to the entire building. Other technologies like CSS add decoration and style to the house, while JavaScript brings interactivity, but none of them can work properly without the structural base provided by HTML. It is important to note that HTML is not a programming language. A programming language is designed to handle logic, calculations, and processes, while HTML is a markup language. This means that its purpose is to mark up the content, describing what each part of a web page represents. For example, HTML can tell the browser, this part is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is an image, and this is a link. The browser then uses these instructions to display the content in a structured and readable format for users. History of HTML. The story of HTML begins in 1991, when Tim Berners-Lee, the British scientist who also invented the World Wide Web, introduced the very first version of HTML. At that time, the internet was still new, and its purpose was mainly to allow scientists and researchers to share documents and collaborate across the world. The earliest versions of HTML were extremely simple, and only supported a small set of tags like headings, paragraphs, lists, and links. As technology advanced, so did HTML. More and more elements were added, and the language became more powerful. Today we use HTML5, which is the latest and most advanced version. Key features of HTML. 1. Simple and easy to learn. The syntax of HTML is very straightforward and beginner-friendly. Even someone with no prior programming knowledge can learn to create a basic web page within a short time. 2. Platform independent. One of the strongest points of HTML is that it works everywhere. Whether you are using Windows, macOS, Linux, or even mobile devices, HTML is understood by all web browsers, making it truly universal. 3. Hyperlinking. The concept of linking one page to another is what made the World Wide Web possible. With HTML, you can easily connect different pages using hyperlinks, allowing users to navigate across the web. 4. Multimedia integration. Unlike the early versions, modern HTML5 supports multimedia elements natively. You can insert images, play audio files, or even stream videos directly on the web page without needing Flash or other external plugins. 5. Structured content. HTML allows content to be organized in a meaningful way. You can create headings for titles, paragraphs for text, tables for data, lists for bullet points, and forms for user input. This not only makes websites easy to read, but also improves accessibility for people using screen readers.